are the visual checks on the herd this morning?
Growth rates are consistent with the data from last quarter.
Ultrasound confirms. Quality control is looking good.
Precision is key as we attach the tracking ID. The digital system instantly records the data, ensuring complete traceability.
All right, now easy. Keep them moving straight ahead. Watch the gap on the right. All right, open gate 2. Keep them moving steady now. Gate 2 is clear. Send in the next batch.
That's it, nice and easy. Good girl, keep going.
The animals remain calm and stable. The ventilation system is clearly visible. Maintaining product quality starts here.
Keep moving to the right. Steady on the ramp, watch your footing. All right, next group coming down. Watch the transition point. Nice and slow, watch your footing.
The tracking data shows consistent movement. Conditions look optimal.
Real-time input is finalized. All parameters are within.
Milk reaches primary collection tanks, massive stainless steel containers. Temperature sensors activate instantly.
Cooling system activates rapidly. Chilled pipes surround the tanks. Temperature drops to optimal level, preserving
Milk circulates inside heated tanks. Rotating blades ensure even heating.
Pasteurization reaches peak stage. Harmful bacteria eliminated. Milk achieves safe purity level. Quality assurance guaranteed. Pre-processing tanks receive milk. Final conditioning before mixing stage. Temperature stabilized again. Chemical balance maintained. Ready for transformation. Temperature control system engages. Heat balanced across entire tank. No overheating or separation occurs. Digital monitors adjust instantly. Consistency locked perfectly.
Refining blades increase speed. Mixture becomes ultra smooth. Numps or lumps or rough texture remain.
Airflow systems dry each soap bar. Moisture removed completely. Surface becomes firm and smooth.
Inspection cameras scan every soap bar. Defects detected instantly. Faulty pieces removed automatically.
Clear the bay. Final check complete.
Doors secure.